Mercedes-AMG E63S is absolutely establishing a major connection. The creature vehicle is a standout amongst the most effective cantina autos available, offering execution, style and solace in one bundle. Hardly any tuning firms are to touch the most recent AG right now, yet there are a lot of alternatives for enhancing the active model. Relative obscure German tuning outfit Posaidon as of late discharged points of interest of their most recent bundle for the E63S. It snatches the features with a 1000 horsepower control rating. The execution bundle is alluded to as the E63 RS 850 Plus and depends on the W212 Mercedes-AMG E63S. The official figures given by the Mülheim-Kärlich-based organization are 1000 horsepower and 1350 Nm of torque, the later figure being electronically constrained to spare the drivetrain parts. These figures are emotional upgrades over the 585 horsepower and 800 Nm created by the serial model. To create the extra power, Posaidon introduced operated turbochargers, protected intercooling in a 3-inch sports deplete framework. The electronic improvement is completed in-house and there is the alternative of developing the motor's ability from 5.5 to as much as 6.5 liters. The vehicle Posaidon are appearing in the above pictures utilizes the standard 5.5-liter limit and delivers only 920 horsepower and 1350 Nm of torque. The 1000 horsepower evaluations are saved for autos with expanded open limit. The 7-speed sports transmission has been fortified to withstand the 1000 horsepower control rating. New restricted slip differentials introduced on the front and back axles can withstand a torque of up to 1500 Nm.